Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to use the awesome Halloween porch sign transfer, part of it, to make another adorable Halloween piece. So I have this side, I'm going to show you this side. Now remember, you can use this transfer along with the other side of it to create an adorable Halloween porch sign where you can put it on your front porch. It will be geared toward Halloween and it'll be a welcoming thing for all the trick-or-treaters at Halloween. But I'm using bits and pieces of it to create some other decor that can go on the inside of your home, not just on your porch. So today I'm going to be using Pumpkins Gleam on a Moonlit Night, just that section. And I have a wood cutout for the pumpkin, also the 9x9 box frame that I'm going to be using. So I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm going to paint, well, I guess I'll start with this. Both of the items that I'm going to paint are going to end up being black. So this is our black velvet. And here we go. I am going to spray just a little bit of water into here. I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet and I'm going to pre-brush the part with water, the part that I'm going to be painting, because I want this to go on nice and smooth, but also I want to be able to do it fast. So if you have a little bit of water on your surface while you paint with the black, it's going to go so much better. I'm going to go ahead and take you over to my screen real quick, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing real fast. So I'm actually going to be painting this whole surface as well as the frame. So we're going to just go ahead and do all of this. And if I feel like we need a little bit more, a little bit more of the water, we're just going to bring that in and allow ourselves to kind of wash this in black. I'm going to do, everything including the sides. Okay, so now we have our colors. We have rust, white, so rust, white, and gold. And I am going to peel this transfer back. I'm going to go ahead and set those aside. I'm going to peel this transfer back all the way. I probably should have started from the bottom, but that's okay. I can do it now. I have a 9 by 9 box frame. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. And I'm going to start with the word pumpkins. I'm going to take our small squeegee. And I'm going to use our rust. There we go. And I'm just carefully squeegeeing the word. Okay, so we have our pumpkin on there. And then I think we'll go ahead and do everything that's kind of in this font. We'll do in our rust color. So it's not like bright orange. It's a really cool color. Very orangey. I know sometimes we might think of rust as like a reddish color, but this is definitely an orangey color. I don't want to get the word night orange. I'd like that to be white. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to put the extra back into the container and move on to our white, where I'm going to use a mini squeegee. Okay. And then down here, same amount. I got a little bit on the side, so I am definitely going to fix that. I'll wipe it off. It is not the end of the world. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get my multi-tool here, pick up a little white chalk paste and finish this off. There we go. Perfect. White is done. I'm just going to wipe off this multi-tool, and I'm going to wipe off this white chalk paste. Okay. Next, we're going to do our stars, and then we'll start peeling. So these are gold. Looks good. Okay. I'm going to peel this. Looks so good. Okay, I'm going to set this aside, and we are going to do our pumpkin, our little jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to lift this up. And line this up as best as I can. I can put my little light box under there. If you don't have a light box, you don't need one. You can easily use an app. And make sure that this is centered. Perfect. Right here is perfect. I'm going to take the orange and the gold. I'm going to do the gold up here. Okay. Then I'm going to take the rest and do the rest. So this will be a beautiful jack-o'-lantern. The black on this wood cutout will show through. If you need to get a hold of the wood cutouts that I've been using with this Halloween porch sign transfer, this is the second video I've made to kind of show off this transfer and those custom cutouts. You can find them on the Etsy shop, Creative Woodcuts shop. And if you need more information, you can comment the word VIP, and I will send you all of the information that you will need. Here we go. All right, you guys. Now, we've got this done. I'm going to peel this up to reveal our adorable woodcut. He is so cute, you guys. I'm going to pull away my iPad. And we are going to quickly give this a wash using just some wipes. Once you get all of that chalk off of there, washing it is pretty easy. we are going to lift it up and wash on the inside too. So let me do that. And I will dry it as well. So we're going to lift this up. I'm going to give it a good wiping with the Clorox or the disinfectant wipe. And down here, dry this off. And then I'm going to use my little fuzzing cloth to dry off my pumpkin. Once that's dry, you can just put it right back onto the backer sheet. And we're good to use this the next time. So I'm going to set this aside and assemble. We do have, let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and close these up. I just lost the lid. And then we're going to assemble in just 1 second. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to add this on. You guys, this is going to be so cute. Do you want to see it up close and personal? Here we have that. I'm just going to add some hot glue here and pop it on. OMG. You guys, look how cute that is. All right, now in real life. How fun is this to set out? Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. And keep watching for more awesome Halloween videos. Thanks, everybody.